Hi guys, my name's Ivy. And something just popped up on my screen. Yeah! Okay. So, it is almost 11 o'clock. It's like, the little hand is almost on the 11, and the big hand is like maybe 5 minutes away from the 12. So, yeah. It's like 11:55. No, 10:55. Never mind. Okay, so yes, 10:55 a.m. and I'm about to. Lily, get out of the shot. You see my cat right there. Lily, Lily, Lily. Hi, Lily. Where my finger is, that's Lily. What, Lily? Here, let me get her for you. This is my cat, Lily. She's a bald cat. Hairless. No, my water. No, you cannot have a sip of my freaking water. No. No. If you're going to have a sip of water, you have to do it in front of the people. Let you have a sip of ice. Alright, so I am feeding my cat a piece of ice. Yay! Here. Here. It's part of water. So, this is my cat. And you're like, how is she going to survive with a big dog? Oh, I didn't tell you what type of dog I'm getting. I'm getting a Great Dane. A Great Dane. I know. And like you people are saying, well, how is she going to survive with a big dog? I'm like, yeah, I don't know. But we're getting him today, I think during 5 or 7 o'clock or 7:30. Here, have your little ice water. No, not yours. Here, here. Here, have your ice. It's melting. It's melting. No? Don't want it? Don't want it? Yeah, you want it. I know you want it. Here, have all this water on the desk. Have all this water on the desk. I need to clean up this ice. I'll be right back. Right, now I am back. Lily, where are you going? So, yeah. She loves that bed. That's not Bailey's. 101, Pegasus' sister. That's her bed. Wait, Pegasus' sister 101. That's her bed. I'm gonna call her Pegasus. So that's Pegasus' bed up there, and that's my bed down there. Ariana Grande, mine's Selena Gomez. With my dad's pictures of me, Britton, and my dad. I have a perfect finger. So, yeah. My water tastes like poo. If you want to learn how to do Oishi, then you can go to Oishi Picture, I think it's called. And Oishi Picture Ivy Varley. You put that down, and then that'll be great. And then I wanted to show you this creepy thing. Just right. And this little, so I had this little, those little ball guys that are like girly stuff. And then I have this thing that my mom gave me that was my uncle's. I have two sides. I'm happy and I'm not happy. But I like this one. So, yeah. If you want me to do anything that is not boring, then please put a comment in the bottom.